Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Monday. If you guys noticed all of the mess on my table back there, is because I went to the post office this morning. I got a few packages, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert that clip. Okay, so I got a few packages in the mail. So let's see what this is. It's not a wig, or from what I can tell. Little baggie. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. So it's just like a spray bottle, but it looks something like a champagne bottle. How cute is this? I love this. This is too cute. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That is the cutest little thing. And then it's like a hairbrush, which I need. Thank you so much. I cannot get over this. That is just too cute. And then she has a card in here. See if I could give y'all her. This is her Instagram information. Right here. I know my nails are so bad. Y'all follow her. This is so cute. Okay, next up is from T. Campbell. And this was actually addressed to my mukbang name, which is Eating Pretty Mukbangs. Y'all come check me out. And she has her own seafood sauce, like the seafood boil or rub or whatever you want to call it. I think she calls it a seafood rub. So it's like this. Cook your seafood in. So I'll try that this weekend. Thank you so much, T. Campbell. Next, this is just something from one of Ryan's subscribers. I think he had the wrong address. Sent his sauce to the wrong address because he used my P.O. box address. And he sent it to the wrong person. So I have some sauce. Because he sent it to the wrong person. And I know exactly what this next one is. It's from Sweet Maddie's. It's a cookie company, a bakery. Now, I don't know where my husband put his daggone box cutter. I need to just buy my own because I hate going through that toolbox. Gosh. Ooh, it's heavy. Okay. I know she reached out to me a couple of times in my email because she was worried about how the cookies would get to me. So it's just the cookie doughs. And these are just the ice packs. Oh, I was hoping that it would have the name of the cookies. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, she does. She is a professional woman, okay? So we have blueberry. Hopefully you guys can see it. I gotta put them in the freezer. Okay, so this is blueberry, Maryland mud, maybe it's that one. Hazelnut, probably this one right here, or this one. Then we have toffee, that might be the toffee. Stuffed sneakerdoodle, that might be this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. Rainbow sprinkles and chocolate peanut butter. So thank you so much. Let's see, does she have an Instagram? Her Instagram is Sweet Maddie's Bakery. So thank you so much. I'm gonna put these in the freezer, and then once my son gets home, I'll let him tear into these. So I'll show you guys once we try them out. So thank you to everybody that sent me something over, and Ryan got them. I'm actually getting ready to do a mukbang because I do mukbangs on Mondays and Fridays. If you guys haven't already, check me out at Eating Pretty Mukbangs. I am actually running behind because I like to film my mukbangs at 1 o'clock. I had to watch a story because I do story times on my mukbang channel. It's so lit. Y'all come check it out. I ain't see the one-eyed snake, but this is what they said, that he was fully equipped. Windows buzzed, car scratched up, breaking backs and hearts. Okay. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. So I got a new Amazon package in. I wasn't expecting this package until tomorrow, but it came early. So it's these glasses. I know that I said I wasn't buying any more glassware, but I saw these glasses on Crate and Barrel. And one day I was on Amazon just minding my own business and I saw them. How cute. Look at this. So cute. Can y'all see it? Look how cute this is. Ooh, it's so cute. So I had to get me some. And they were only $18 for two. And I think on Crate and Barrel they're like 12 bucks for one. So I think I got a pretty good deal. These are so cute. Love them. Good morning. Happy, what's today? Tuesday. It is 7:07. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. I'm a little late. I should be in the gym right now. Where's my pre-workout? I'm running a little behind this morning. Ooh, I'm close. I'm running a little behind this morning because I forgot to put my phone on the charger last night. And so I have to let my phone charge. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my pre-workout, put my clothes on, and take my butt to the gym because I haven't been to the gym since Saturday. I didn't go to the gym Sunday or yesterday, which I really should have went to the gym yesterday, but I didn't feel like it. This is a pre-workout that I take. I get a lot of questions about it. I've showed this a few times, but I still get questions on it. I use the C4 Ripped Sport, and Tony always picks up the Arctic Snow Cone or either the Blue Raspberry. One of you guys had told me about like a watermelon flavor. I told Tony, I said, let's try a different flavor because we always get the same flavor. Even the Arctic Snow Cone tastes just like the Blue Raspberry. So I do want to try something different. So I'm getting ready to take this and get my day started. Okay, change of plans. I'm gonna work out from home because I'm just running too behind this morning. I can't get it together. I need to do like some weight training. So I'm thinking about doing this one right here. But it's this couple that I did one time and I cannot remember their name. Okay, y'all, so I stopped by the post office again, and I have a package from Lovely Hair. So this is how it looks, like this. see. She reached out to me on Instagram. She wanted to send me some of her hair. She just started a hair company. Her Instagram is lovely.hair on Instagram, so y'all follow her. And let's see how the hair looks. So it's a lace front wig. I think it is a 18-inch if I'm not mistaken. So this is how the hair looks. It's really soft. So yeah. So I will be trying this hair out and I will let you guys know. It looks like a yucky texture. It's not that silky, which I like. So yeah. So thank you so much, Kendall, for sending this over to me. All right, y'all, so I'm on my way to IKEA. I ordered these prints from Etsy for my son's room. Y'all know that I've been doing my son's room over, and I need to go get some picture frames. I think IKEA is probably the cheapest place to get these frames from. I'm gonna look up a few stores. I'm gonna look up Walmart and Target really quick, and then we're gonna go over to IKEA. Once I hang the pictures up, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of the wall, his shoe wall, and you guys can see the shelves that I purchased from IKEA. So that's what we're doing today. Tell me why they don't have the size that I need. Oh gosh, are you kidding? They do not have the size. Caught in the rain, y'all, once again. All right, y'all, so I made it back from Walmart. So I just picked up some romaine lettuce, mushrooms, some shredded collards because I want to make some greens, mint leaves, some honey, olives. Y'all know I love snacking on olives. Some pineapple banana juice, bought some peppermint tea, and then I wanted to try this ginger peach turmeric tea. I've never had this one before, so I wanted to try that. And then they have this Tazo Passion. I've never tried this before. It's a herbal tea, so I want to give this a try. It's caffeine free, so I'll let you guys know how this is. The creamy Caesar dressing, some Boom Chicka Pops. I told y'all I needed some snacks. Some of the Zesty Ranch veggie straws. Y'all like these? I haven't had these in so long, but I do like them. And then I bought some of these little cheese sliders and some corned beef hash. And my oldest son is here, so he wanted me to do some of this Salisbury steak. He really liked this, so I'm gonna do this with some mashed potatoes tonight. And here is one of the pictures that'll be going on my son's wall. So I'm gonna put it in the frame. I got these frames from Walmart. They were $17, so I think it's about the same price at IKEA. Let's try the tea. No. We're in the room. We're in here. We're in the room.